Hello students, I am Bani, your English facilitator with Learn Forward by Fly High, and today we'll be learning the poem Bridges of Love. So let us start. This poem is about the secret of good life. The poet describes how we can achieve happiness and success in life. To know what he says, let us read the poem. Eat less, think more, read and work. They alone fail who shrink and shirk. तो जो पोएट है प्रताप रस्तोगी, वो कहते हैं कि खाओ कम और सोचो ज्यादा. डू नॉट फोकस ऑन ईटिंग मोर, फोकस ऑन डिलीवरिंग मोर. मतलब खाओ कम, सोचो ज्यादा, रीड एंड वर्क, ज्यादा पढ़ो, ज्यादा काम करो, काम करने में ज्यादा फोकस करो, टाइम पास करने से ज्यादा. दे अलोन फेल हु श्रिंक एंड शर्क. जो लोग हेजिटेट करते हैं या फिर जो लोग काम को अवॉइड करते हैं, वो लोग फेल हो जाते हैं. दे डू नॉट सक्सीड इन लाइफ. द पीपल हु एक्चुअली फोकस ऑन डिलीवरिंग अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क, who actually believe in doing a lot of work, they succeed rather than the people who hesitate in doing a lot of work. Let's hang on to hope even with empty hand. हम जबकि हमारे हाथों में कुछ खाना ना हो, पैसा ना हो, चीजें ना हो, प्रॉपर्टी ना हो, लैंड ना हो, कुछ भी ना हो, हमें होप नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए. We should hang on to hope with empty, even with empty hand. Nature is generous enough in every land. Even if we do not have any food to eat, we should not give up on hope, because nature is so generous कि कुछ ना कुछ आपको खाना दे ही देगा. भगवान ने इतनी चीजें बनाई हैं दुनिया में कि आपको किसी ना किसी तरह करके भगवान भूखा नहीं सोने देगा. भगवान ने नेचर को क्रिएट किया, नेचर आपको इतना सारा फूड प्रोवाइड करती है. सो बिलीव इन गॉड, बिलीव इन योर ओन सेल्फ एंड बिलीव इन डूइंग वर्क. एंड जब आप काम करोगे, इट विल पे ऑफ. सो द अर्थ इज हार्ड फॉर द आइडलर्स. जो लोग काम नहीं करते, जो लोग सिर्फ बिल्कुल वेले होते हैं, उन लोगों के लिए द अर्थ इज वेरी हार्ड. इट इज अ डिफिकल्ट प्लेस टू लिव. द पीपल हु डू नॉट वर्क, हु डू नॉट डिजायर टू डू एनी वर्क, द पीपल हु हेजिटेट टू डू वर्क, द वर्ल्ड इज ऑलरेडी हार्ड फॉर दोज पीपल. For the strong, fairly good. But the people who actually work hard, the people who actually desire to do something good in life, the world is not very hard on them. The people who are actually putting in any kind of efforts, the world is also giving them something out of it. They are free from daily worries who work for daily food. जैसे मजदूर भी होते हैं, ठीक है, वो भी अगर अपना काम करते हैं, रोज जो भी काम कर रहे हैं, अगर वो काम कर ही रहे हैं तो उनको डेली का पैसा मिलेगा. एंड दे विल नॉट हैव टू गो टू बेड विदाउट एनी फूड, विदाउट एनी मील. सो इफ यू विश टू बी फ्री फ्रॉम पेन एंड सोरो, इफ यू वांट कि आपकी लाइफ बहुत ज्यादा स्मूथ चले, इफ यू डोंट वांट एनी पेन, एनी हर्ट, एनी सोरो इन योर लाइफ, टॉयल टुडे एंड ट्रस्ट टुमारो. अभी काम कर लो, अभी बहुत ज्यादा हार्ड वर्क कर लो, अभी इतनी मेहनत कर लो that you will not have to cry tomorrow, you will not have to cry in your future. If you work today, if you work every day and you give in all those hours of hard work and perseverance, then you'll have to enjoy tomorrow. You will not have to worry about what you'll have to do before going to bed to take in that meal. Let's take a vow. हम एक pledge लेते हैं to build bridges of love, ताकि हम प्यार के बंधन बनाए, ब्रिजेस को हम bonds या links बंधन बनाए between man and man, the earth below and sky above. We should believe in God, we should trust God, and we should trust our work. If we do not work, we should not expect out of it. But if we are actually working, then we know that we'll get good result out of it. So हमें इतना अच्छा link बना लेना चाहिए अपने आप से और लोगों से और God से, that we do not have to worry कि आगे जाकर करना क्या है. So that is all. I hope you understood the poem. It is a very basic poem. So let's talk about the question answers. Competency based questionnaire. Which one is the synonym for liberal? Generous it is. Which one is an antonym for doubt? Uncertainty. Sorry, doubt. Antonym for doubt. Now, what should we do to achieve good life? We have to work. We should do our dash sincerely. Work. Those people fail in life who work less. True. What is write the rhyming word of shirk from the extract. Shrink and shirk. Shrink is the rhyming word. Now, B. For whom the earth is hard. For idlers. The people who do not wish to work and who procrastinate work, who actually spend their time enjoying and not working. How do the active and strong people live their life? They work daily to avoid facing problems in the future. Now, how do active, this is done. The strong people are free from worries. We should do our work sincerely. True. Make a sentence of your own on strong. My father is a very strong man. Now take the correct option. Which people fail in life? Those who eat less, those who think more, those who work less. The answer is those who work less. If you want to be free from pain and sorrow, you should A. Forget about present and think about future. B. Do some productive work every day. And C. Remain free from work for having a lot of relaxation. The answer is B. Do some productive work every day. Third, we can lead a happy life if we A. Exploit others for our own benefit, discriminate between man and man, or love all human beings irrespective of their social and economic status. God has made us all equal, so we should not discriminate and distinguish between other human beings. Pick out the pieces of advice from the poem and put them in the boxes below. One is build bridges of love. Second is the earth is hard for idlers. Third is nature is generous enough. And fourth is toil today and trust tomorrow. Answer the following questions. What is the secret of happiness and success? Those who work today, who focus on working today and actually work very hard are actually the happiest people in the world, and they always succeed. What inspiring message does the second stanza convey? Let us read the second stanza again. Let's hang on to hope even with empty hand. Nature is generous enough in every land. Even if we do not have anything in our hand right now, even if we do not have any money, any food, nature is generous enough. God has blessed us with plenty of things from the nature, which can actually provide us with a lot of food. So we should take this message, and we should not feel disheartened by the fact that we do not have a lot of things right now, because we will be blessed with things in the future. Why is life hard for lazy people? Because they mainly focus on relaxation and they do not work hard. And only the people who actually work hard are the only people who can succeed in life. What does the poet mean by the phrase bridges of love? We should actually make good bonds with people, no matter what their caste, religion, economic status, social conditions are. We should make good bonds. We should believe in spreading love and positivity rather than hate. And we should believe in God, because He will bless us with a lot of things. So I hope you all understood the poem. That was all. Good luck. Happy learning. Goodbye.